So I'm here at Oslo's Natural History Museum, where I've just done a little promo for Doggerland, because Doggerland looks at geology and deep time, and it made me think of time as a really lovely creative prompt. So of course we look at what rhythms we work in naturally, and always try and work in a different rhythm. Internal rhythms, external rhythms are also something to look at. And as Viewpoints has taught me, looking at the duration that you spend in each rhythm is really important. But a second idea is looking at how a sense of time works as a conceptual stimulus. And obviously this will vary depending on what art form you're working in. So there's the idea of the present, the immediate past, the potential future. Michael Chekhov talks a lot about that. But there's also the idea of deep time, non-human time, ecological time, and where we sit in that time. What does that do to your movement, to your concepts, to your thoughts if you work with that? And that's an approach I think that works quite nicely for the Anthropocene that we find ourselves in.